to Podish.
When I walk into a room, I smile first. That's my default setting. They say I have good energy, that I'm fun to be around. They don't know it's all an act. Jokes? I've got plenty. Sarcasm? I'm fluent. But real emotion? That stays hidden. I'm the one they call when they're sad. I listen, I support, I cheer them up. But when I need someone, there's just silence. So I laugh louder, act sillier, shine brighter, just so they don't see the storm inside me. It happened last winter. I was at a party. Music, lights, smiles everywhere. I told a joke. Everyone laughed. I smiled too. But then I walked into the bathroom and cried. I looked at myself in the mirror, and I didn't recognize who I was anymore. It wasn't sadness that broke me. It was the exhaustion of pretending to be okay. I wanted someone to ask, "Are you really okay?" and mean it, but no one did. Because I trained them to believe I'm always fine. That night, I stared at the mirror for 40 minutes. No tears left, just emptiness. That was my lowest point. I remember being 10 years old. I had a panic attack before school. My mom looked at me, confused. She said, "Just toughen up. Stop being dramatic." That was the first time I realized no one was coming to rescue me. So I learned how to hide it. I'd cry in bed at night, quietly, so no one would hear. Years passed. I became the strong one. I carried everyone's weight, even when I was drowning. And now, I'm tired. Tired of being okay for everyone else. Sometimes I imagine someone saying, "Hey, I see you. I know you're not okay." I imagine a world where people don't just check your smile, but your silence. Where I can say I'm not okay without feeling weak. I don't want to be fixed. I just want to be heard. I want someone to sit next to me on my worst day and say nothing. No advice, no quotes, just presence. Because the most powerful words are sometimes unspoken. What I really want is peace. Not happiness that screams, just peace that whispers. Maybe you feel this way too. Maybe you're the strong one in your group. Maybe you're tired too. If this story sounded like yours, you're not alone. Let's practice now. Speak out these lines. Say them like you mean them. Shadow practice lines. Repeat slowly. Repeat each line 3 times. Match my tone, pause, and feeling. 1. I laugh around people, but cry alone. 2. I wear a smile to hide the storm. 3. Pretending is easier than explaining. 4. I want to be heard, not fixed. 5. One day I'll stop pretending. Repeat, pause, reflect. Subscribe to Podish, where stories speak and you speak back.